to differentiate our function, we will use power formula. So let me remind you, when we have derivative of constant times u to power n with respect to x, this is equal. First we have to copy the constant. Next we have to take down the power, so it will be c times n times u to power n minus 1 times the derivative of u with respect to x. So in our case, the constant is 1. Let me write this. The u is equal e to power 4x plus 5 times x to third power, and n is equal to. Now we can differentiate our function. Dy to dx is equal, because its constant is 1, we don't have to write. Next we have to take down the power, so we have 2 times, and we just copy whatever we have in parentheses. So we have e to power 4x plus 5 times x to third power, and we have 2 minus 1. Next we have to find the derivative of expression which is inside parentheses. We have here addition, so it means we have to find the derivative of first expression plus the derivative of the second expression. Because we have e to power 4x, we have to use formula derivative of e to power u with respect to x is equal e to power u times derivative of u with respect to x. So first we have to just copy this expression. Let me put this in parentheses. We have e to power 4x times, now we have to find the derivative of 4x. Derivative of 4x is 4. So we have times 4 plus, and now we have to use again power formula. So this formula, we have to put first the constant, 5 we just copy. Next we have to take down the power, so in our case is 3 times 3 times x to power 3 minus 1. This is equal to which we have to just rewrite, and in parentheses we have e to power 4x plus 5 times x to third power, to power first, because 2 minus 1 is 1, we don't have to write, and in second parenthesis we have 4 times e to power 4x plus 15 times x squared. So this is my solution.